Hello everyone, welcome back to Wandering. Today, we will explore one of the most amazing destinations in Spain, Maspalomas Beach. Located on the beautiful island of Gran Canaria, Maspalomas is famous for its vast sand dunes, creating a desert-like landscape in the middle of the blue ocean. These dunes are not only a tourist attraction, but also an ideal place to sunbathe, relax, and enjoy the waves. The people of Maspalomas are very friendly and hospitable, creating a warm and pleasant atmosphere for those who visit. They are proud of the rich cultural heritage of this land and are always ready to share interesting stories about the history, traditions, and typical lifestyle of the island. It is the harmonious combination of ideal climate and warm hospitality that contributes to the irresistible appeal of Maspalomas. Maspalomas Beach, with its charming natural beauty, is the ideal place to relax and enjoy the sunshine. The vast, undulating sand dunes, like golden sand dunes, shine under the bright sunlight, creating a beautiful scene that is hard to find anywhere else. Along the beach, girls in bikinis comfortably lie on sun loungers, enjoying the waves and the warm sunshine. Some others like to stroll along the shore, letting the gentle waves touch their feet and the sea breeze caress their hair. 14. Under the clear blue water, you will find rich coral reefs and seagrasses, contributing to a diverse habitat for marine life. Seagrasses, especially Posidonia oceanica, often grow in large mats, providing shelter and food for many species of fish and invertebrates. Not only do they play an important role in maintaining the stability of the sand on the seabed, but they also help improve water quality by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. Marine tourism plays an extremely important role in Spain's economy and culture. With thousands of kilometers of coastline stretching from north to south, the country has some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, attracting millions of tourists every year. Beaches such as Maspalomas, Costa del Sol, and Costa Brava are not only ideal destinations for relaxation and water sports, but also a major source of revenue from the tourism industry, creating millions of jobs and contributing significantly to the national GDP. Thank you for joining the Wandering Channel on this journey to discover wonderful seas. If you love adventure and want to continue discovering more beautiful beaches and other attractive destinations in the world, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. Your support is a great motivation for us to continue sharing interesting experiences and secrets of beautiful seas.